To activate path navigation mode, go to the top toolbar in the view, and from the Camera Controls drop-down menu, select Path Navigation. If you click on a visualized path, you enter the path navigation mode automatically. Now you can navigate along the path by using the mouse wheel to scroll forward or backward. If you have a pane layout with multiple panes, other views will synchronize automatically. The toolbar that belongs to path navigation appears in the top right part of the view. If you click on the path navigation icon, the sub-menu offers an autopilot feature. Click the play button to activate or deactivate it. You can adjust the view angle by dragging with the left mouse button in the view. This is also possible while navigating. If you want to change the viewpoint height, you need to right-click and drag. To return to the default view position, use the Snap to Path icon, which resets any altered view angles. To navigate a different path, select the arrow icon and select another path, or choose a different position on the current path. Alternatively, you can press the Control key on your keyboard and pick another path. Use the slider below to adjust your position, allowing you to move to different positions, such as the start, a middle position, or the end. Additionally, you can insert a specific chainage position in the field below. To exit the path navigation mode, just go back to the default camera mode rotate or one of the other view modes in the drop-down menu of the toolbar in the view. Trimble Connect, Multi-pane Viewer. Thanks for your attention.